In this video, I will show you how to add click sound effect in Capcut PC. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, so let's begin. Launch the Capcut app on your computer. Drag your video clip into the timeline or import it by clicking the plus button. Then, go to the Audio tab located on the top bar. Here, click on Sound Effects and search for click in the search bar. After that, choose a sound effect from the list. Drag the click sound to the desired position in the timeline under your video. Trim or adjust the sound's duration to sync perfectly with your video action. Play your video to ensure everything is aligned, then export your final project. That's it. You've successfully added a click sound effect in Capcut.